Holy shit! Damn!
Now, you can get a GT Premium or a GT Performance pack. I had the Premium, didn't have everything. It was like 49 to 50.
Oh, really?
So this is kind of a sweet spot between this and the GT 350. Now,
Yeah.
sitting in these seats, it's got heated and cooled seats. These seats are so comfortable, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, they are.
If I would have bought a GT 350, I would have got the seats that are like this in the 350, not the Recaros. I mean, I'm not driving a race car every day.
Damn.
Hold on a sec, here we go. Sorry. Alright. Try to get over this. Fish short one. That's so fun. Alright. That's so much fun.
It is.
Everything's GT 350. So GT 350. Let's take it. Let's go. Come on, stupid ass Lincoln. I had to slow down for the Lincoln. That's all right. Perfect for the tunnel. Ah, damn it. That's awesome. They wouldn't even tell me how many of these are made. So
Really?
the 174 is my number. The M5 is just not. It's not nothing special. Because I saw the other one at the dealership was M6, and then his was like 200, and I was like, who? What does that even mean? Maybe it's who made it?
Maybe.
Like maybe it's the model guy. Like AMG, they put like a guy's name on it. Maybe that's the batch that ran.